Okay, welcome all of you. So today we have start our second unit, that is the data encryption technique and standards. Okay, so in this particular unit, at the previous unit we have seen the number of the basic terminologies or why the data secure is required to our data security. Okay, so in this particular unit we have to see the number of encryption techniques. Okay, so for the encryption techniques you have to use the whatever the number of the basic terminology in the previous unit. Okay, so the first terminology is your plain text, we denoted it by the P. Okay, ciphertext we denoted it as a C. Okay, encryption, decryption, cryptanalysis, cryptology. Okay, so or the cryptography. So these are the basic terminologies we have seen at the previous lecture. Okay, then encryption method. Okay, so which are the encryption method we have required to see in this particular unit. Okay, so the encryption means that we are required to converting our plain text into the ciphertext. Okay, our plain text into the ciphertext, this is called as an encryption method. Okay, so in encryption having we have required to, whenever the third party get the encrypted data, so he can't be achieve the whatever, he can't be get the actual data. Okay, so we say that the encryption having the two types. Okay, so we can say that symmetric key cryptography. Okay, so the cryptography methods, we can say that there are the symmetric key cryptography. Okay, so why it is symmetric? Because so see here, this is the actual process. Okay, this is the actual process, or we can say that this is the original message or the plain text. Okay, plain text. So we have required to secure that particular message by using the encryption algorithm and the secret key. Okay, so whenever we process on the a particular plain text and the secret key by using the encryption algorithm, that time the output is the ciphertext. Okay, the output is the ciphertext, and ciphertext we can send it to the destination. Okay, and the whenever the destination get this particular ciphertext along with the secret key. Okay, then that time they decrypt that particular ciphertext and getting the actual message. Okay, so this is the actual method of the uh, data transmission. Okay, so we see that in this particular message, in this particular process, you can see here the both processes, encryption process and decryption process, require the same key. Okay, so hence we say that it is the symmetric key cryptography. Okay, so why it is symmetric key cryptography? Because for encryption and decryption there is the same secret key. Okay, there is the same secret key. Then we see the second one. Okay, that is the asymmetric key cryptography. Okay, so this is your plain text. Okay, this is your plain text, and you have to convert it into the ciphertext by using the encryption method. Okay, by using the encryption method, that time encryption process you have to require the public key. Okay, you have required the public key. And the whenever the particular encrypted message go to the destination. Okay, so that time the decryption process they use the private key. Okay, they use the private key and get the actual message. Okay, so it is called as asymmetric key cryptography. Okay, so the main difference between symmetric key cryptography and the asymmetric key cryptography is in symmetric key cryptography there is the only one secret key is used for the encryption and decryption process, but in asymmetric key cryptography there is the two different keys. Okay, for encryption process there is the public key, and the decryption process there is the private key. Okay, hence it is called as the asymmetric key cryptography. Okay, asymmetric key cryptography. So then we move toward the another point, that is the you can say that the block cipher principle. Okay, so the block cipher, why the block cipher is required? Okay, why the block cipher is required? Because the this particular cryptographic algorithm is used for the transmission of plain text into the ciphertext. Okay, So the stream cipher and the block cipher are the two methods. Okay, so which are the two methods of the block cipher principle? So these are the two methods. Okay, stream cipher and the block cipher. Okay, so firstly we seen the stream cipher. So what is stream? Okay, so in stream cipher they use simple in the binary stream. Okay, simply binary stream here. Okay, so the plain text, this is plain text now, so they here is required the simple binary stream. Okay, and this is the key, so you can say that this is the secret key. Okay, this is the secret key, and we say that the process between the plain text and the secret key. Okay, so here is the encryption algorithm. Okay, encryption algorithm, and we the output is the ciphertext. Okay, the output is the ciphertext, so we can say that this is the stream cipher. Okay, so this is the encryption process up to here. Okay, up to here you can see there, or you can participate it also. Okay, so here is the, okay, so here is, you can say up to this line, right, left hand side is the encryption. Okay, left hand side is the encryption process. Okay, so here is the one key. Okay, key stream, then one is the plain text. Okay, and here is the algorithm of the encryption process. Okay, encryption process, and you can get the ciphertext. Okay, you can get the ciphertext. Then next is what? Next, so this is the ciphertext now. This is a type ciphertext, and this is the key. Okay, and process here, and we can get the plain text. Okay, we can get the plain text. So this is the actual process of the stream cipher. Okay, this is the actual process of the stream cipher. It is a very easy example of the stream cipher. Okay, it is a very easy example of the stream cipher. Okay, so the example, what they say, plain text is equal to the, okay, so here is the stream. Okay, here is the stream, and this is the key. Okay, so both are the in binary format. Okay, so whenever here is they gives you plain text is in decimal format, that time you have required to convert that decimal format into the binary format. Okay, decimal format into the binary format, and key is required, or key is the important. Okay, so key, you can take the key as per your whatever possibility. Okay, so key, but key is having the same size. Okay, key is having the same size. So this is the encryption process. Okay, see here, what is the encryption process? Okay, so here is the 0, so this is the plain text here. Okay, this is the plain text here, and what you have to require, you have to require, this is P and this is K. Okay, this is P and this is K, and you have to require the XOR operation. Okay, you have to require the XOR operation between them. Okay, XOR operation between them. So in XOR operation, 0 or whatever the 0 and 1, this is 1. Okay, so this is the XOR operation. So we insert the one simple table. Okay, so you can get the actual value. Okay, so in XOR operation, okay, 0 1 0 1 and 1, then 0 1 0 and 1. Okay, so these first two columns are the input. Okay, first two columns are the input, and then we say that this is the third column, third one is the output. Okay, third one is the output, so we insert the text box also here. So these are the input, Okay, these are the input and this is the output. Okay, this is the output. So 0 0 output is 0. Okay, output is 0. 0 1 output is 1. Okay, because here is the XOR operation. Okay, 1 0 output is 1. Okay, and the 1 1. Okay, 1 1 the output is 0. Okay, output is 0. So this is the actual table, and from this table you can be solve this particular operation. Okay, so 0 1 is what? 0 1 is 1. Okay, 0 1 is 1. 1 0 1 XOR 0 is also be the 1. 0 0 what? 0. 1 1 0. 1 0 1. 1 1 0. 0 0 0. 0 1 1. 1 1 0. Okay, and so you can get here ciphertext. Okay, so what is this? This is your ciphertext. Okay, this is your ciphertext. Then the next process. Okay, so what is your next process? Your next process is the decryption. Okay, decryption. So you can check it, you can get the actual plain text or not. Okay, plain text or not. So decryption, so in decryption what they require? Ciphertext na. So write this ciphertext to here. Okay, write this ciphertext to here. Okay, so this is the same one. Okay, this is the same one, and write this simple key as it is. Write this key as it is. Okay, then do the XOR operation. Okay, do the XOR operation there. So okay, so this is the XOR operation between the ciphertext and key. Okay, 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, and this is your plain text. Okay, so you can check it. This one and this one are the same. Okay, this one and this one are the same. So you can say that this is the symmetric key cryptography or the stream cipher. Okay, so this is the very simple example of the stream cipher. Okay, this is the very simple example of the stream cipher. Okay, so you can check it. So these are the first algorithm. Okay, so this is the first example of this in your second unit. Okay, so we are stop here.